Welcome to the third update of this house in Katani. It's the 3-bedroom flat roof bungalow, and I'm in the company of
Dave Kariuki from Curtis Precast Construction Limited.
So today we're going to discuss about the structure and the works that are ongoing today.
Yes.
So this is what week of construction?
This is our 5th week.
Yes.
Because we started at 5th of March.
Yes.
So this is exactly our 5th week.
Yeah, I remember in part 2, we talked about the beam and block slab. Now we have the parapet wall on top.
Yeah.
And so in that time, what has continued with the works?
We have done the parapet wall. We have done the concrete coping. And we also finished the latexing on the precast joints.
Okay.
And finished all the electrical plumbing pointings and conduiting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, this side we are facing, is this the front of the house?
Yeah, this is the front of the house.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
I think it matches the structure. It matches the renders. Even before the finishing.
Yeah. Actually, what's remaining is the paintworks.
Yeah.
And some small finishes like tiling and carpentry works.
So here we have the staircase leading to the
terrace.
Yes, to the rooftop balcony.
Yes.
And now this is the veranda.
Yeah, this is the entrance porch.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can go inside and
Sure.
see what's going on. Even before we go, so this is the main steel door.
Yeah, this is the main steel door from the entrance. You can see it's heavy yield. This is the design exactly that was chosen by the client.
Yes.
And also to the windows.
Yeah.
Exactly.
With this pattern.
Exactly this pattern.
Nice. We're doing the skimming.
Yeah. Skimming work is being done currently on the inner side. Then once they're done, they go on the outer side. Then we start the tiling works. Already we have even set the door frames and everything. So that the next phase is tiling.
Now here you've plastered the beam and block.
Yes.
And then you've done the skimming.
Yes.
So I'm assuming this is going to be like among the final finishing of this.
Yeah. This will be the final, but they will be painting. The painting work will be done on it, and a small design, because we are not doing gypsum.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not doing gypsum.
So it's fully paint work.
Yeah, it's full paint work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is the
lounge. Yeah, this is the lounge. You can see it's sunken. It's a sunken lounge. We have the dining. Then from the dining, we have our kitchen.
Wow.
And the rear porch.
So this is the dining.
Yes.
The kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
The countertop over here.
That's the countertop. Though the countertop will not use the concrete ones. We'll use granite.
Okay.
Yeah, which we hope to go with the granite.
Yes.
On the tops, yeah, for fine finishes.
Black or white?
Black.
Black.
Yeah.
Black granite.
Yeah, black.
What designs do you have for the kitchen?
On the setup.
Yeah.
For the setup, actually, this is where we'll place. You see, these are the top. This is the top. This is the bottom.
Yeah.
So it's like two tops. In that when you're doing your kitchen works, somebody can also use this space in maybe eating or placing stuffs. Yeah. So that's where we'll have the fridge.
Okay.
And the electric cooker will be there. We'll have our double sink at this place. We'll have our double sink at this position.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we will do some small gypsum in this place with some downlighters. And also in the kitchen, we'll do the round downlighters. And maybe on the dining.
Like here on this beam.
Yeah, on this beam. Yeah. There's a fine finish that we'll put. Once we finish the carpentry work, that's the cabinets, there's a fine finish that we are looking at setting it at the kitchen side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we are in the finishing stage.
Yes.
How long do you anticipate to be done with the finishing?
We started this week for the finishes, probably by the end of next week.
Yes.
Or everything will be done, including the drainage works and also the exterior finishes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can go to the back of the house.
Yes,
so
please.
that people can see. From this view, it almost looks like the front. People can assume that this is the front.
The entrance. Yeah, I know. The main reason why you might confuse you with the entrance is because you always access the site from this side, because this is open field.
Yeah.
But this is the rear side of the house. This is the back side of the house. So this is the rear porch and the kitchen.
Okay.
So she will have to do a perimeter wall. Here, boundary wall at this place, because that's where the boundary of his land is. So she will do a perimeter wall here to protect or rather to cover the land also.
Okay.
And also at the other side, we'll have the laundry place. Now at this position is where we'll use the laundry place. And also because we have already brought a pointing for setting gas and everything, we'll do a small shell house at that corner position for where she will place the gas and the gas and everything. And then we'll use a sheet, translucent sheet, so that to cover this place where she'll be using as the laundry place, because of course they will cover this area.
Yeah, and it's to protect it against the rain and other
and everything. And also when you place your washer here and everything, it will be sufficient. And also rain will not be coming on the place.
Yeah. So here you will do some backfilling.
We'll do backfilling, a lot of backfilling. Then we do a slab.
Okay.
We'll do a slab at this position once we finish.
Yeah.
Once we are setting also the steps. So there is at the entrance we'll have steps, entrance steps, and also at the rear side we'll have the steps. So once we are doing that, is when we'll do the concrete work at this level. But first, we want to concentrate mostly on the finishing of the house. Yeah?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Because this is something that can be done quite fast.
Quite fast.
When you compare to the other field.
And when you compare to the other field. And also it won't affect us, or rather the client moving in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we can go to the rooftop.
Yes,
so people can appreciate how it looks like.
Okay. Now this is the rooftop, where she will use as to place the storage water tanks. You can see there are three. She will have three water storage tanks, and also she will use where to iron, or rather to dry the clothes, and also the space to relax.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's quite spacious. Now this is the 117 square meters.
That is the exact.
Really appreciated now.
117 square meters, and you can see also, can appreciate the fact that it's raining. Yes. And there is no stagnant water on the top, so the flow traps were placed strategically at the right position, and also you have experienced there's no leakage in the house.
Yeah.
So confidently, I can say the client will live happily in the house without experiencing any leakage, because we did it perfectly.
The waterproofing, we did it perfectly
and professionally.
Yes.
And also the invisible gradient at this floor, it will help the water not to stuck at one place.
Yeah. So for the parapet wall, what material did you use to build it?
For the parapet wall, we also we used 4x4 stones.
Yes.
Yeah, the bricks.
Yeah.
We use them because we compared by using the panels, we'll have to use a lot of C channels.
Yeah.
And that when you talk of vis-a-vis the cost, it will a bit escalate.
Yeah.
But for the parapet, for the bricks, or rather the conventional brick and mortar, is what we use to do the parapet wall, because she's also looking at continuing, or rather extending the house in the near future. So she will have to do away with the wall and do the panels, and do the column, the beams and everything, just as we did the ground floor. Okay. Yes.
Now, will she do any finishing on the floor, or will she leave it like this?
Later, she talked about doing the terrazzo.
Yeah.
Later, but for our face currently, we will just do the Nilo finish as per now. Yeah.
Okay. And put the water tanks.
And put the and gonna finish up the plumbing works and everything.
Okay.
And continue also with the security lights that will be all around the house. Yeah.
Will she use any solar technology?
She will use the solar in the future. So even the plumbing and the electric work that was done, it was done with that consideration.
Okay.
So even if she choose now to do the solar, everything is set and everything is provided.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, to get to this point, how much has this structure cost?
To get to this point, as it is reducing the skimming works, it's exactly 3,3.1.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So that includes the panels, the foundation, the parapet.
Yes, it includes all the whole shell work, including doors and windows.
Yes.
Including, as you experienced, we already set the door frames.
Yeah.
So we are ready to place the solid doors, and also the steel casement doors and windows you have experienced been placed.
Yeah.
So what's remaining on the steel casement is just applying the primer, then the final paint.
Okay.
Yeah.
So even from me, from an outsider, or from a client who visits this project, to me it seems like this project is well on time.
Yes.
It has met the timelines of the client.
Yes, yes.
And I think you'll be able to finish even earlier than what you had said.
Yeah, earlier, because on the contract agreement we were talking at 8 weeks.
Yeah.
We agreed on 8 weeks, but confidently we'll finish by 6 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's something encouraging.
Yeah, because you see the what we encourage, or rather what we say about precast, it saves time, right?
Yes.
Now this is what we mean.
Yeah.
It saves time.
And also including the beam and blocks.
Exactly. It's all precast.
Yeah, it's all precast.
It's all precast. So it saves a lot of time.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, you've heard it from Dave, the main contractor. I think we shall do a final part to discuss about the finishing.
Yeah. That's next week.
Okay.
Yeah, you're welcome to come and discuss about the finishes.
Yes.
Once already the house is fully done.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see how it looks exactly vis-a-vis the renders.
Yes.
When we say we transform exactly, we transform what's in the renders to the ground, you'll see what we mean.
All right.
Yeah.
So till then, stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and share this video widely to others who are looking to build a similar style bungalow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in part 4.
Thank you guys, and I appreciate Nick.
Yes.